We got a bit of a storm coming over. I thought I'd just pop out here and give you a thingo. Got another video to upload later, but just for now I thought I'd show you this. It's getting a bit thunder bumpery and windy. Yeah, should be a decent bit of a storm if we cop it. We're about 140 odd metres above sea level. It'll be, yeah, fairly close over the top of us. It'll dump a bit of water. I'll might update you later. I'll just keep recording while the thunder bumpers are happening. While all this ominous looking cloud out here is going on. She's fairly ripping up there. Give me a second. I've just got to readjust me me hand and me other hand. Oh yeah, out there she's it's got a smoke haze out there at the moment. Maybe a little bit of water haze, but not too much. That's looking out up towards Sunshine Beach in that area, up through there. All that hill, the furthest hill you can see, is basically just before the coastline, all the way up the coast there, right up to Noosa, which is up beyond the trees there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Still sunshine over there. A little bit of blue sky cracking through there. But yeah, it's all coming from this end, from over here, so I'm underneath my Faraday cage, I'm safe. Bella's in the bus. She doesn't do storms, so I just keep her in there. Oh yeah, she's whirling up there too. She doesn't know which way it wants to go, that weather. Anyway, you probably don't want to be listening to thunder all afternoon. Or me babbling on. I'll upload this, we'll see what happens. Yeah, if it gets any worse, I'll update you. Bye.